Hello everyone, Jeremy Vinny here. When it comes to electric bikes, the DYU King750 is a force to be reckoned with. This sleek and powerful e-bike is packed with features that make it stand out in the market. From its robust motor to its reliable battery, the King750 promises an exhilarating ride experience. So let's dive into the unboxing and take a closer look at what makes this e-bike so special. As I open the box, I am immediately greeted by the striking design of the DYU King750. Its sleek frame, made of durable aluminum alloy, exudes a sense of sturdiness and sophistication. The black color adds a touch of elegance, making it a head-turner on the road. One of the standout features of the King750 is its powerful 750-watt motor. This high-speed motor is capable of handling all kinds of challenging terrains with ease. With 75 Newton-meters of torque, climbing steep hills becomes a breeze, giving riders the confidence to explore new heights. Equally impressive is the 48-volt 20-amp LG battery, which sits snugly in the frame. This brand battery is known for its reliability and durability, ensuring a consistent and long-lasting electric output. The battery management system BMS and its 5,000 milliamp electrical core contribute to the overall range and endurance of the e-bike. Speaking of range, the King750 boasts an impressive max range of 80 miles or 129 kilometers. This means riders can go anywhere without worrying about running out of power, whether it's a leisurely ride through the city or an adventurous journey off-road. The King750 has the stamina to keep up. To ensure the safety of riders, DYU has equipped the King750 with dual hydraulic disc brakes from Shimano. These high-performance brakes provide exceptional stopping power, instilling confidence in riders even during high-speed rides. Safety should never be compromised, and with the King750, you can ride with a peace of mind. Adaptability is another key feature in the King750. Its 26-inch fat tires, measuring 4 inches wide, offer incredible traction and stability. Whether you're traversing wet roads, navigating potholes, or conquering rugged terrains, these tires provide a safe and comfortable ride. The multiple shock absorption system, including a front shock absorber, further enhances the King750's ability to conquer different surfaces. The LCD display on the handlebars provides essential information at a glance. Riders can easily monitor their speed, mileage, output power, and other important indicators. Additionally, the inclusion of a half-twist throttle prevents accidental touch, adding an additional layer of safety. For those who enjoy night rides, the King750 comes equipped with a searchlight. These bright headlights ensure visibility in the dark, allowing riders to enjoy their adventures even when the sun goes down. Safety should never take a back seat, and the King750 ensures that riders are visible and protected at all times. Comfort is not overlooked in the design of the King750. The ergonomic cushioned seat provides a comfortable riding experience, especially during long journeys. An additional shock absorber further enhances the cushioning, reducing fatigue and ensuring a smooth ride. The King750 also offers convenience with its removable battery feature. The battery can be easily detached, allowing for convenient charging and ensuring safe parking. The self-contained battery anti-theft system adds an extra layer of security, giving riders peace of mind when leaving their e-bike unattended. When it comes to specifications, the DYU King750 impresses with its performance. With a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour and an average speed of 22 miles per hour, this e-bike is built for passion and speed. The King750 can handle uphill grades of up to 15 degrees, making it suitable for tackling challenging inclines. With a maximum loading capacity of 330 pounds, it accommodates riders of varying sizes and allows for carrying additional cargo or equipment. The DYU King750 is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that has a capacity of 20 amps and is rated for a voltage of DC 48 volts. Charging the battery takes approximately 6 to 7 hours, allowing riders to quickly get back on the road. The high-speed motor is rated at 750 watts, which provides the necessary power for a fun and efficient ride. During my review of the DYU King750, I had the incredible opportunity to test drive this e-bike in the breathtaking North Georgia mountains. I must say, the bike performed admirably, both on and off-road, showcasing its versatility and ruggedness. As I embarked on my adventure through winding roads and challenging terrains, the King750 proved to be a reliable companion. The 26-inch fat tires played a crucial role in providing exceptional gripping power, even on slippery roads. Whether I was traversing through rain-soaked surfaces or navigating gravel paths, the King750's tires never faltered, ensuring a stable and secure ride. One of the standout aspects of the King750 is its sturdy build quality. As I rode through the mountainous landscapes, I could truly appreciate the attention to detail in its construction. The e-bike's frame exuded strength and durability, allowing me to focus on the awe-inspiring scenery without worrying about common build quality issues. The King750 held up admirably, providing a stable and smooth ride throughout my journey. The North Georgia mountains are known for their stunning vistas, and the King750 allowed me to soak in the beauty of nature. Its reliable performance and sturdy build instilled a sense of confidence, enabling me to navigate the challenging terrain while taking in the breathtaking views. Whether I was climbing steep inclines or descending tricky slopes, the King750 handled it all with ease, ensuring an unforgettable experience. As I conclude the unboxing of the DYU King750, it is clear that this e-bike is a true powerhouse, combining power, performance, and safety features that elevate the riding experience. With its robust motor, reliable battery, adaptability to various terrains, and thoughtful design elements, the King750 is a force to be reckoned with in the world of electric bikes. So buckle up, because the DYU King750 is ready to take you on an electrifying adventure like no other. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.